Alright guys, how's it going? Water Dragon here again. Straight off the bat, I am so sorry if I shout at all. I have earplugs in. I bought earplugs ages ago and I've just been meaning to use them and I kind of get used to them. It's fucking weird. It's really weird. Hopefully I didn't just deafen all those guys. But yeah guys, I wanted to talk about my channel being so shit. You know, I put a decent bit of effort into all my videos and all, but they just don't pull the views that I really want. Not necessarily saying that they deserve all the views, but I'm not getting the views that I used to get as well. You know, maybe around the 300 mark would have been kind of normal, 250, 300. Now I break about 100 after a day, then it's super slow after that. So basically I wanted to ask all of you guys, since you are the guys who watch this video, not necessarily what should I do to improve my videos, because I feel like my videos are of decent quality, both content and actual like visual and audio quality. And for me personally, video and audio is a huge factor. You know, if a video has really bad audio or bad video, I'm not really going to watch it. What can I do differently in my videos for you guys? Like, what would you enjoy more? Whether it be specific topics I talk about, because there's certain stuff that you'd like me to cover. You know, whether it being specific MT10, the MT range, you know, track stuff, just regular riding stuff. You know, what is it that you guys want to see? Because to be honest, a lot of the stuff I put up is just like talking vlogs and all, and obviously there's certain videos that do well, like reviews and stuff of that nature always do well, because it's more than just my channel that will see this video. You know, your regular vlog, I think it doesn't get pushed very well, but a review will get pushed because people are gonna search for it. But if I have a weird title that's specific to my video, no one's really gonna search for that title, if that makes sense. So that's generally kind of how it works. You know, obviously stuff gets pushed, like your regular vlogs from people with similar interests in YouTube and all. You know, that's a bit kind of broken, to be fair. To go down YouTube algorithm and whatnot. Fine with ideas about videos that I want to do. I have an idea for a video that I'm going to do as well that's going to be different. Yeah, the idea for the video, it's still being fleshed out because it can go shit very fast. You know, that's kind of what happens with new videos. What the fuck is going on here? But yeah, is there anything in particular that you guys would like to see from my channel? You know, I've never really actively said it, but like, if anyone wants something in particular, like a topic done, you know, something even like learner related, you know, I'd happily make a video on it. Because I've been through the works, especially in Ireland. Like, you know, I obviously started off as a learner on an A2, but I'd done the progression up to an A. So I have decent knowledge on that. I'm actually going up to get brake pads, but my mechanic never replied to my text, so I'm just gonna show up anyway. I said, if I pop up at this time, would you be able to fit them for me? And I got no answer, so I'm taking it as a yes, of course, because he loves. But yeah guys, play with your, I was gonna say play with yourself. Think into your brain. Is there anything in particular you guys want to know that you can't really find decent information about? There's also a lot of fake information, and also mainly towards, like in Ireland, there's a lot of fake information out there, just bad information. You know, people on the internet, and obviously like myself, we're all professionals, we're all mechanics, we're all this shite. You know, a lot of people, like, if I don't know, I'm not giving you advice, put it that way, because what is the fucking point? Geez, the recycling centre is busy. But yeah guys, look, think, is there anything in particular you guys want to know? Anything that you'd be interested to see? Blah blah blah. I have a few video ideas anyway that hopefully you guys will enjoy. But it's just kind of, I need to flesh them all out, because I don't want to do a half-arsed plan or an idea that just ends up being shite. But look guys, let me know, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.